Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego Beyblade launcher. This works with most kind of bays we see on our channel. So here goes. It's a little bit difficult and long, but most of the pieces are common and you should be able to find. Here we go. First, take one of these plates, 12 times 4. Then take two 10 times 1 bricks and put them on this side like that, and there should be 2 studs right there that it doesn't cover. Repeat with your other one like that. Next, take 6 times 2 brick and place it right there, so there are 2 studs in front right there. Covering those 2 studs, place a 4 times 2 block like this, and then at the back place 2 times 2 brick right there and a 2 times 4 brick right there. In short, just cover up this whole place with 1 layer of bricks, so a 2 times 2 bit sticks out here. You can use any time. I'm going like this. Next, cover this like that with plates. I'm using 2. Make sure you don't cover the offside right here, and I'm using 2 12 times 2 plates. Well, actually, no, you do cover this right here. So. Next, cover this whole thing except this little part right here with plates, with tiles, I mean. Okay. This moment you can pause it and do what you need to do to cover this up. Remember not to cover off that little offside there and there. Okay, there is your handle. Well done. It should feel comfortable when you hold it like that. Now we move on to the launcher. Okay, so take 2 times 4 plate and place it on the little offside like that, like this. Next, take one of these angled plates that go up like that and put it like this. Next, get 2 times 2 plates and put them on that like this. See, like that. And then 1 times 2 bricks with a cross hole in the middle and put them on this thing. Whoops, sorry. Like that. Next, take 1 of these, so they have one space of the circular ones and a cross like that. And plug it in like this. Next, take 1 of these things. It's connected to a string because it will be connected to the string that you will pull, and put it like this. like that. And inside of there, take one of these and put it in like that, so half still pokes out. And in that, put a stick like this, like that, inside like that, and then place 1 2 times 2 brick like this, like that, you see? And then on top of that 2 times 2 brick, place 1 2 times 2 cylinder with a hole in it, like they all have, like that. Okay, great. Next, take 1 6 times 2 plate and place it like that. Put 2 other 6 times 2 plates on the side like that. Then place 1 and 1 more 6 times 2 plate on the side like this. Sorry. Or actually, sorry, got a bit muddled up. Like, sorry, pause it. Don't take a word. So sorry, you only have 1 plate there, like that. Now you can freely place this like this. Hold on, like that. And then take 2 times 2 plates and fill those little gaps there, like that. They can be black too, or any color which your 6 times 2 are. So it blends in like this. Well done. Then, if you are left-handed or right-handed, put like this and decide which way you will be pulling your string, and then cover that whole place except a hole for this string to go out. Now you can pause it and do that. Make sure this can still spin freely. Oh, and I forgot, cover up the place right there with a 2 times 1 plate. So this can go like that. Oops. Okay, I've done 1 layer now. Do 1 more layer. And make sure the hole is now covered up, but the string is in it. And yeah, attach the string too. So be sure to listen to Christmas carols while you do this, it's important. They're nearly out. 1 times 4 brick. Okay, I don't even know. Thanks. Alright, so you should have ended up with 2 layers like this. Next, take some a 6 times 2 plate and place it like this. Then a 1 times 4 plate like that, and cover up the rest with plates. Okay, we're nearly done. No, sorry, we are done. There's your launcher. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get more of the latest videos. Bye!